I've been back and forth to IMC many years over the last 12 or 15 years, and it's a conference that I really enjoy coming to. And one of the reasons I enjoy coming to this conference is, meeting either with end users, practitioners, or even some of my fellow solution providers, because one of the things that we ask each other every time we see each other is, what have you seen? What have you heard? What's new in the industry? And the reason that that question's interesting is it allows us to challenge each other. And it's not like a push, but it's a push around innovation. And because we're talking to each other about, what have we implemented, at our customers, or, what are people needing? And that allows us to continue to keep ratcheting up what we're delivering, or ratcheting up what we're putting into tools like SAP. So that, that's an important part of, what I see and what I get, out of coming to IMC. So that's an important thing for me.
Yeah, and from my perspective, I'm the opposite extreme. This is my first time at this event, so I'm learning a lot as we go. But one of my takeaways, I think it's related to some of the things John said, but it really is the community that's here. So this is a very targeted community. This is a group who clearly care. They have a mission, they have a mandate. It's about reliability engineering. It's about being successful and keeping uptime up, keeping the assets up in their organization. And that's exactly the audience we speak to. When we talk about building our software, we always want to look at it from a user perspective. We talk about user personas, and a lot of those personas, whether it's maintenance technicians, reliability engineers, reliability managers, all of those folks are here. And so really being able to have them see the software, experience the software, and get some of those reactions we talked about earlier is very rewarding, and that's why we're here.
And I think one of the important things that is about that is the word community. Because the comment I just made about some of the end users, some of the solution providers, we might have 2-3 people from competing industries. They're still sharing ideas. We might have 2 solution providers, 3 solution providers, 4 solution providers that are actually competitors outside these walls. We're all sharing ideas and thoughts together. So it's a very unique environment. We're really allowed to share ideas and thoughts together, and again, challenge each other in a unique way. So again, it's a great environment for us to be here.